Hi IT lovers of my classes, welcome to Easy Machine Learning #1 Part 2 with Python on Google Colab. I hope that you remember our Python classes, or else I invite you to watch my previous tutorials. Last week we have started machine learning with an introduction and an easy storeSales project. We trained a random forest regressor model to predict the future year's sales and print them. Now we want to see these same outputs on a graphic. Thank God again I'm about to tell you the same thing in German and French. Hallo IT-Leute. Now in German. Willkommen zum einfachen Machine Learning Nummer 1, 2 mit Python auf Google Colab. Ich hoffe, dass Sie sich an unsere Python-Kurse erinnern, sonst dürfen Sie sich ruhig meine vorherigen Tutorials nochmals anschauen. Letzte Woche haben wir Machine Learning mit einer Einführung und einem einfachen storeSales-Projekt angefangen. Wir haben ein Random Forest Regressor Modell trainiert und Vorhersagen für den Umsatz in zukünftigen Jahren getroffen. Jetzt wollen wir die gleiche Aufgabe in einer Grafik sehen. Gott sei Dank erzähle ich euch gleich wieder dasselbe auf Französisch. Alors maintenant en français, un grand coucou à tous ceux qui apprécient mes cours de IT. Bienvenue à mes cours d'initiation au machine learning facile avec Python dans Google Colab. J'espère que vous vous souvenez un peu ou beaucoup de nos cours Python, ou bien je vous invite à regarder mes précédents tutoriels. La semaine dernière, nous avons démarré le machine learning avec une introduction et un projet de vente en magasin. Nous avons entraîné un modèle Random Forest Regressor pour prédire les ventes des années à venir et nous les avons imprimés. Maintenant, nous voulons voir ces mêmes résultats sur un graphique. Dieu merci encore, une fois, je vous ai dit la même chose aussi en allemand et en anglais.
These are our predicted sales right here. I hope you remember them. We found out that our model predicted 233,000 for the rest of 2024 and also for 2025 according to the data of our file right here. Let me open the file. Our storeSales.csv, which is here. As you can see on our CSV file in 2023, the total sales were 250,000, and it will increase in 2024, the rest of the year, and in 2025. Okay, so I can get rid of this right now, and now we want to see the same outputs on a graphic, and we are going to delete this file and restart so that we can have the graphics. Let's start. So again, we're going to import pandas as PD, and then we want to import the matplotlib dot pyplot as plt, and then from sklearn, yes, dot ensemble, we start pretty much like last week, but it's still going to be different later. So ensemble import again the random forest we're going to choose the regressor. We have our IntelliSense here. So first we want to load the data set from the CSV file. So here data frame equal pd dot read. And here we want to get our store sales right here. Yet again, we copy the path and we insert it here. Control V, we have it. After that, we want to add another comment, which is going to be called split the data set into features X and target Y. Now we can X, big X equal some space, df double square brackets here, starting pretty much the same, but then it's going to be different afterwards. And again, data frame square brackets, and now we want the total sales underscore, and we don't forget the quotations here on both sides. And now we want to add another comment called train a random forest regressor model. This one we want it back, and here we're going to start again, model equal random forest. I hope you remember the explanation I gave you about the n estimator 100 and random state 42 last week. And here we want to do the same. We want to fit. We model again dot fit. This one I remember explaining to you last week too, what it means to fit. So I'm not going to do no redundance this time. It's better to move on. Just in case you don't remember, you can still go back to my previous first machine learning tutorial. And now we want to make predictions again. So I get a comment here, make predictions for future years. And now we want a future underscore years equal, I'm just gonna choose again like last week, 24 and 25. Of course you can go further, but that's enough for me. 25. Then we want the future sales underscore sales equal model dot predict. Here we want the PD dot data frame like this, and here inside we want the future years in the column. Sure we spell it right. Column equal square year, just like this. And now this is where it's going to be different. Now we want to plot, this time we want to plot the it's not going to be, I don't need to make it big, plot the actual sales, because we want to plt here dot plot df, and here we want the year. I'm going to get a big Y here. Then we want to df again the total, and here we want to add the label equal actual sales now. This one we want the quotations in here. So, and now we want to add labels and title. plt.x label, and here we want the year. And then we want to do the same with y, plt.y label, and it's going to be, of course, our total sales. And then we want to plot the title, plt.title, and here we want the actual VS predicted, yearly sales, and then we want to plot the legend too, because we want a good graphic. plt.legend, and it's going to be a method. And now we comment that at the end of the day we want to see this plot, so show the plot, and plt dot, let's get a grid here. Grid, we want it true, and we want at last plt dot show. All right, we're good. Let's run and see. We run. Okay, looks like it's good. Now let's scroll down, and this is our graphic. So as you can see here, the total sales, the years, we started in 2019 by 120,000, and it goes up in 2020 until 2023 did reach 250,000, and in 2024 our model is predicting, as I told you before, 233,000 for the rest of 2024 and 2025. In orange you can see the predicted sales, and in blue you can see the actual sales. This is our graphic, and this is how you get it with plots, with matplotlib. Okay, so you need pandas and matplotlib if you want to see the graphic, but for the simple prediction, sklearn ensemble and sklearn matrix. For the graphics we need matplotlib. Okay, I hope you have an idea. I'm going to just show you again, just in case you want to copy. All right, I hope you liked it. I hope you could train a little bit with me. This is an easy project, and the rest is coming next, if God's willing. Until then, may He bless you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.